Astonishing benefits of morning exercise. Beginning each day with a good sweat before breakfast has amazing health benefits. Morning exercise is believed to improve how the body responds to insulin, reducing the likelihood of type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular conditions, encourages deeper and better sleep, reduces weight and improves the overall body performance. Early morning workout creates a healthier mindset and keeps one active all through the day. Here are some of the health benefits of exercising in the morning. Helps to burn fat. Engaging in morning exercise helps to burn as much as 20% more fat, especially when morning exercise is done without food. Food intake before morning exercise may help improve your performance during the exercise but may not burn as much fats as seen when the workout is done without breakfast. Deeper and better sleep. Exercise remains one of the surest ways to reduce weight, which guarantees a healthy sleep. It also causes a hormonal balance which establishes a good sleep routine. The National Sleep Foundation states that morning exercise enhances a high-quality sleep compared to evening workouts, because evening workouts can induce the body by heightening the temperature of the body. Prevents type 2 diabetes. Scientific review contained in the Journal of Physiology reveals that glucose intolerance and resistance to insulin, which results to type 2 diabetes, can be prevented through morning work, especially on an empty stomach. The scientific review indicated that those who take breakfast before or during morning exercise have higher glucose tolerance and insulin sensitivity with no weight gain than those that work out in the morning on a flat stomach. Reduces blood pressure. Early morning workouts help reduce blood pressure by 10 to 25% and remains the best preventive approach to heart attacks, which usually occur in the morning. Boosts metabolism. Morning exercise improves the chemical processes that occur within a living organism in order to maintain life. Although there is no scientific backup to this claim, more research is needed to establish this fact. Improves mental health. Neurotransmitters that ensure concentrated attention and lucidity of the brain are stimulated during morning exercise. Having morning workouts boost confidence, refreshes and energizes the body. Those that engage in a regular morning exercise enjoy increased immune system, feeling of accomplishment, better mood and longevity. Keeps the body fit all through the day. Consistency in morning workout makes one more active all through the day. Researchers from the Brigham Young University generalized it that people who work out in the morning are usually more active, fit and focused. Helps in making healthier choices. A healthier mindset is developed by engaging in morning exercise. This helps in wise decision making, especially when making choice of meal, because morning exercise makes food look less appealing and thus, makes one consume less of needless calories. Thanks for watching. Always visit this channel if you want to know more on exercise.